A very good evening to one and all. Good evening. Okay, it's an honor for me here to welcome our beautiful audience who had gathered here. Myself, Mrs. Lata Vijayan, admin and faculty of Scribbling Preschool, welcomes you all on behalf of Scribbling Preschool family on this second annual function. I take pleasure to welcome the founder and director of Scribbling Preschool and Daycare, Mrs. Rakhi Modak and Mr. Modak onto the stage.
Thank you, Lata ma'am. Good evening, everyone. Respected chief guests, dear parents, wonderful teachers and didis, and my dear little scribbler. It is with great joy and pride that I welcome you all to the annual day celebration of our school. Today is a very special day as we celebrate the growth, achievements, and happiness of our little learners. When we started this preschool, our vision was to create a safe, nurturing, and joyful space where young mind could explore, learn, and develop the foundation for a bright future. Seeing these children love, play, and grow every day reassures us that we are fulfilling that vision. Our dedicated teachers and didis work tirelessly to provide love, care, and education in a way that makes fun learning and meaningful. I extend my deepest gratitude to them for their patience and commitment. To our wonderful parents, thank you for trusting us with your little ones. Your support and cooperation are invaluable in shaping their early years. And most importantly, to our little stars, this day is for you. You make us smile, you fill our hearts with joy, and you remind us the beauty of childhood. Watching you perform today is a proud moment for all of us. Let us continue to work together to nurture these young minds, helping them grow into confident, kind, and curious individuals. I hope you all enjoy today's performance and celebration. Thank you and have a wonderful evening.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening once again to all of you, dear parents, our esteemed guests, and the well-wishers who have always stood by us. So let's unite, stay strong till the very end, making this day truly remarkable. So,
sorry to interrupt you, sir, and lovely audience.
Sir, I think you forgot to invite us. We are supposed to do the anchoring this time.
Yeah, if you recall, last year we both did the anchoring, making it an unforgettable experience for everyone. Wasn't it, Falguni?
Absolutely right, Priyanshu. But sir, why didn't you invite us this time?
Bacha, you both are appearing for board exam this year. So, go back to your home and study well now.
Yes, but anchoring should be done by us.
Absolutely right. Okay, fine. Even though we are not doing this time, then one of our junior friends show it. Ensuring it stays within our circle, isn't it?
Okay, then who will do this?
We will choose someone from the audience.
Okay.
I can see someone there. Come up.
Okay, I see a young boy is coming here. Very good.
भाई तू करेगा ना एंकरिंग?
हाँ जरूर करूँगा.
भाई इज्जत का सवाल है, अच्छे से करना.
हाँ इज्जत रख लूँगा.
Very good, very good. Thank you for coming. So, what's your name, young boy?
My name is Rishiraj Chatterjee and I study in grade 8 D.Y. Patil International School.
All right. So, Rishiraj, Priyanshu and Falguni, since you all three of us here, so please help Rishiraj to understand the script and all. And since you all three are here, so get back to the backstage and prepare yourself and make this event truly memorable. So all the best, all of you. Please get back to the backstage and
thank you.
Well, sorry for the interruption. Now I request Lata ma'am to present the annual report for the year 2024-25. So Lata ma'am, over to you.
Thank you, sir. So here I am presenting before you the annual report of 2024-25. In an academic year 2024-25 started 12th June 2024. But before that we celebrated graduation day for the UKG kids who passed out in 2024. some slides are for you to show how what happened last year. So that's why I'm waiting for that. This was our graduation day for last year. And we had our summer camp for those who have taken admission for academic year 2024-25 and for external students too. As we started, the first day of school was an enjoyable moment with our kiddos, like a red bouquet of flowers, like they bloomed in our scribbling premises with our respected parents. Then in the month of June, we conducted celebration and orientation of Father's Day, Yoga Day, Music Day and Blue Color Day. In July 2024, we celebrated Community Helpers Day, Blue Earth, Save the Water, Kargil Divas and dancing competitions of the kiddos. August month, we had our Friendship Day, Green Color Day, Raksha Bandhan and Janmashtami, and we had a competition with mothers for Yashoda Kanandala competition. Independence Day and Rhyme competition for our kiddos was done in the month of August. September month we had Teachers Day for which all kiddos have played a role of teachers. Next we celebrated Ganesh Chaturthi and Yellow Color Day. Then Flowers Day all will be shown, not in a sequence wise, it is background, you can see that. Flowers Day, Healthy Food Day, storytelling related to social awareness programs, all was done in the month of September. The kiddos learned not to buy anything from strangers. Another social awareness program was made for not eating or taking anonymous thing from the road or outside. They were also made aware of not to drink any chemicals, medicines or not to touch sharp objects, fire and play with electrical switchboards, etc. An inter-school competition in Incredible India competition was held in SNBP school Yerwada and our scribblers got the participation certificates. In October month, Gandhi Jayanti celebration was done. Red Color Day, Dasara with the role plays and mythological stories, all was done. This is Yashoda Kanandalala competition by mothers. We also visited supermarts as a part of field trips. First term exam was conducted on the month of October and we had a Diwali vacation and the school reopened on 11th November 2024. Month of November was Children's Day. We had a picnic to Sneha Fun Villa, Vagoli and kiddos enjoyed a lot. Orange Color Day was celebrated connected with the book color. 21st December we celebrated big Christmas fiesta with traditional Christmas carols and stories. Kids with the strangers now they are coming out and having the role plays. I think they might have described from in your home what happened on that day. Okay. In 21st December we celebrated big Christmas fiesta with traditional Christmas carols and stories. Kids with our syllabus sponsors. This is the visit to Fun Villa. Numeracy, literacy and general awareness like animals, transport, living things, non-living things, all was enacted by their own. Stalls outside of foods, yes, stalls outside of foods, toys, dress materials and brands like Senco Gold and Diamond Jewelry also participated in our school. 22nd onwards, winter vacation started and school reopened on 2nd of January and had our New Year celebration. On the same month, we celebrated our annual sports day in Jagadguru Football Academy and they have given Jagadguru has allotted us the space for sports. 26th January, Republic Day was celebrated with our scribblers who played a role with freedom fighters and community helpers who are the real wounded people of our nation. Other than that, Makar Sankranti celebration was also done by flying kites and til laddus. This is our syllabus really. According to the syllabus, the children has done class-wise. On their Christmas Eve. Makar Sankranti. The Republic Day, we had our fashion show of giving the themes of freedom fighters and community helpers. Parents, are you enjoying our kids' last year reports? That's enough. Dear parents, we kindly ask for your presence until the end, as we will be sharing important dates, updates regarding the upcoming academic year. Your participation is greatly appreciated, and we look forward for discussing significant changes that will be implemented. Thank you for your cooperation, sir, ma'am. I request Montu sir to honor the facilitate our respected guests.
Thank you, Lata ma'am, for giving the annual report for 24-25. So now we would like to invite our esteemed guest to the stage for the ceremonial lighting of the lamp. So first I would like to invite on stage Shri Manduai Khandwe sir. He is the Vice President of National Congress Party and the Speaker of Tehsil Haveli, also an esteemed founder and director of Jagat Guru International School. So he has already helped us in all our occasions and facilitate with all the events and all. We have used the ground of Jagat Guru International School, and the most important thing is all our UKG students have been absorbed by them. So this is an honor from us. Next, we are honored to invite Mrs. Snehal Umarji, the Principal, Abhishek International at Moshi. She has been the recipient of numerous prestigious Best Principal Award, including one of by EduDrone India, as also recognized by UNESCO. Additionally, she has been selected as a distinguished member of the Inspection Committee for Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation School. And then we have our esteemed guest, Mr. Shankar Pal. So, sir, we would like to call you on the stage. He is the president of Sanskriti Sangha Dhanuri. And please, sir, please come and share your blessings. Good job.
A very happy and warm good evening to everyone. All the respected dignitaries present over here, especially Mr. and Mrs. Modak and our beloved Pandu Khandwe sir. I am very obliged today that I have been invited as the chief guest for this occasion. I have seen both of them grow from the very scratch when they started the preschool, and they had, I think, daycare, yes, correct, daycare. They had 5 students, and I being in education industry, she always used to take some guidance from me. She, more than a society member, she is a very beloved friend of mine, and this really makes me feel overwhelmed to see her success, and I'm wishing a lot of success going ahead. Thank you very much all of you for attending this show of your students. I'm sure the hard work which all the teachers and management which, has put today, you will witness it and you will love it. And who doesn't love children? Children are God's gift. So please appreciate the teachers and the management and give a big round of applause for all the efforts they have taken today. So thank you very much for inviting, and I wish you a very, very best journey ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Snehal, for coming. Sir, Shankar sir, please.
So good evening, everyone. So it's really, honor for me to be part of this second annual day as a chief guest. So though I had a very small introduction of the team of the scribbling, but what I personally have seen, they're very much focused, which is really, really important. And I think for each and every children, the focus is very important, right? And the way today's generation is growing up, I think each and every child is special. What you need to just give them the right focus, right values to them. And I think the final thing is give them a good time. That's what I can say. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. सर 2 शब्द प्लीज पेरेंट्स हमारे बच्चों के लिए।
सर ने 2 ही शब्द बोला है सर, 2 शब्द में इसे कैसे कंप्लीट कर सकता हूँ? थैंक यू सर। वंस अगेन सबको गुड इवनिंग। आज स्क्रिबलिंग प्री स्कूल का जो एनुअल फंक्शन, सेकेंड एनुअल फंक्शन होने जा रहा है। आई थिंक सर मैं दोनों एनुअल फंक्शन का एक हिस्सा हूँ। लास्ट ईयर भी मैं था, इस साल भी मैं हूँ, और हो सके आपका प्यार ऐसा बढ़े तो नेक्स्ट ईयर भी हो सकता है आपके साथ भी सर। और सबको पेरेंट्स को एक रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहता हूँ, जितनी मेहनत सर ने आज इस एनुअल फंक्शन में लिए है, हर एक के घर में 1 या 2 बच्चे रहते हैं, लेकिन सर के घर में कितने बच्चे होते हैं स्कूल में, उनको ये मैनेज करना इतना ईजी नहीं है जितना हम सोचते हैं। हमारे घर में 1 बच्चा या 2 बच्चे रहते फिर भी हम परेशान होते हैं, मियाँ बीवी दोनों भी, जो यदि नाना दादी रहेंगे वो भी, सब 4 लोग 1-2 बच्चे के पीछे परेशान होते हैं। बट स्क्रिबलिंग में सर नंबर ऑफ़ स्टूडेंट्स है, और उनके साथ में आप जिस तरह से बिहेव करते हैं, जिस तरह से उनको अपने पैर पे खड़ा होने के लिए आप फर्स्ट स्टेप एजुकेशन लाइफ की उनके आपसे यहाँ से स्टार्ट होती है सर। तो ये फर्स्ट स्टेप जो है ना सर, ऐसे ही अच्छे से प्रगति की तरफ चली जाए, यही मैं आपके लिए प्रार्थना करता हूँ। और मुझे कहने के लिए गर्व भी हो रहा है, स्क्रिबलिंग प्री स्कूल जगत गुरु इंटरनेशनल स्कूल से टाइप है, तो कई सारे पेरेंट्स के क्वेश्चन आते रहेंगे सर हमारे फर्स्ट का एडमिशन कहाँ हो जाएगा। तो डोंट वरी, जगत गुरु इंटरनेशनल स्कूल में आपका एडमिशन ज़रूर हो जाएगा, बट एक एंट्रेंस टेस्ट होती है छोटी सी, वो पास आउट होना ज़रूरी है। देन मैम इज इट राइट? तो वो एंट्रेंस टेस्ट पास होने की जो सब बेसिक चीज़ है, बेसिक डेवलपमेंट है, वही अपने स्क्रिबलिंग में हो रही है सर। मोस्ट इस साल देखें तो सर मोस्टली बच्चे आपके ही सिलेक्ट हो चुके हैं सर। तो यही खासियत है सर, आप अच्छे से बच्चों के साथ में व्यवहार रखें, पेरेंट्स के साथ में व्यवहार रखें, अपनी इस एरिया में स्क्रिबलिंग का नाम और रोशन करें, यही मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट कर रहा हूँ। और सभी पेरेंट्स को उनसे धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ। आप सब लोग इस एनुअल फंक्शन में इन्वॉल्व हुए, और आपकी इन्वॉल्वमेंट ही सर के लिए एक ताकत होती है, एक प्रोत्साहन होता है, यही प्रोत्साहन बनाए रखें। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the lovely words, the motivation words. So I would request all the 3 judges, guests to be here for the prize distribution. We will not take much, sir. Just few minutes.
So we have our prayers now.
I request to all parents, please stand up for prayer.
या शुभ्रवस्त्रामृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्करप्रभृतिभिः दैवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मा पातु सरस्वती भगवती निःशेषदार्यापहा.
God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. It's so high, we can't get over it. So deep, we can't get under it. So wide, we can't get around it. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. God's love is so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Oh, wonderful love. Be ready for national anthem. Janagana Mana Adhinayaka Jaya He Bharat Bhavya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Uttar Ganga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jalati Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाये तव जय गाता जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. भारत माता की जय. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम. वंदे मातरम.
To commence our program, I respectfully invite the parents who had been honored by the school in various categories to grace the stage. So for competition, Yashoda Kanandalala. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. Yashoda Kanandalala, who has already, please come forward. You know the names. But first prize goes to Mrs. Payal Rao, the mom of Chitraksh. Please come on to the stage. Yashoda Kanandalala was a wonderful program done on Janmashtami. So many moms stepped back but due to bad weather, but we are announcing the prizes for the participants also. Adriti's mother, Pushpa Yadav, and Sweta Rohinkar, Neil's mother.
We are announcing
Neil's mother.
Parents not by their name, by their children's name. Because ऐसा होता है कि पेरेंट्स अगर अपने बच्चों के नाम से जाना जाए तो वो पेरेंट्स के लिए सबसे गर्व की बात है. तो इसलिए हम बच्चों के नाम भी हम ऐड कर रहे हैं. जैसे नील्स की मदर आई है तो नील्स की मदर श्वेता है, मिसेस श्वेता, बट हम नील्स की मदद से बुलाते हैं.
Third prize goes to Mrs. Ashwini Kavade, Ms. Jaydeep's mom, and Dharmini Tiwari, LKG Rivan's mom. Ashwini and Dharmini Tiwari, LKG Rivan's mom. Yes. Participants, Prajakta Omase, that is Adishri's mother, Shalini Pada Kavi's mother. You all can come to the stage. The other participants, Surbhi Agarwal, Priyanshi's mom, Janvi Bahalkar, Rayan's mom, Madhuri Kulkarni, Shanvi's mom, Sangeeta Devashri, Kushman's mom, and Srishti Parvan is Shiv's sister. Kavi's mom. Priyanshi's mom. Adishri's mom. Adishri's mom and Rehan Bahalkar's mom. Kushman's mom, Sangeeta Devashri. And Shiv's sister is here.
Shiv's sister.
No, Parushi, you didn't have to. No, Parushi. No, sister is not there. Shiv's sister is not there, I feel. They're absent. Okay. Best Kids of the Year 2024-25 class wise. Playgroup, Jayas Mahajan and Shaurya Singh Rawat. Please, Shaurya's mother can come forward because we will not give children now. Shaurya, Jayas mother, Shaurya. Go. Nursery Samar Conway's parents and Samarthi Archul's parents. Samar's parents can come. Both father and mother can come. And Samarthi's parents also can come. Their best means overall we are looking. Everybody is best to us. But overall, some categories we are looking. That's all. LKG, Ruhi Bosle and Par James' mother can come. Parents can come. Parents of Ruhi Bosle. Next year is your children, sir. It's LKG now. Par Jain, parents can go. UKG Parushi, Kiran and Yutika's parents can come. Parushi. And Yutika's parents. No, that is not Parushi now. That is Yutika. Parushi's mama, please come. She came now first, that's why she is not coming again. Mother is coming. Parushi of UKG. Okay, some have 90 to 95% attendance. So for that children also we are giving, and that the credit goes to mothers only. So father and mothers, parents, sorry. Otherwise they both will fight na each other. So keeping 90 to 95% attendance, playgroup, Shivraj's parents can come. And Rayansh Aher. Nesri, Sharanya and Rishik's parents can come. This is Shivraj's parents. Nesri, Sharanya and Rishik's parents can come. Sharanya of Nesri and Rishi. LKG Grisha and Urvil. Grisha Chowdhury and Urvil Jadav's parents. Rishik's parents. LKG Grisha's parents and Urvil Jadav's parents. UKG Shivan Shaher and Nidish. Shivan Shaher and Nidish. Urvil's parents it is. UKG Shivan Shaher, his parents and Nidish parents. Nidish parents, UKG Nidish parents and Shivan Shaher's parents. Ajinkya Chavan. They were from the beginning. Ridhima was from the beginning itself, but now also she is there, and they will continue till when she is in 10th standard also. And Ajinkya also, from the beginning, when he was a very small boy, he was with the group. So he is also, his mother is also there, and still in the daycare. And the certificates for the children for the participation of other competitions will be distributed at the school in their folders. Okay. Thank you, dear guests and friends, parents. Please take your seats.